asked inspectors to send us pictures of the worst nightmares from all over the country, and we've gotten some doozies. But now we're getting them from you, and we love them just as much. What do we got, guys?
Look at that.
Look at this. Scott from New Jersey sent this one in. So there are a couple of things right off the bat. You can see it looks like indoor NM cable run on the outside.
Right there. Oh, wow.
The floodlight doesn't look like there's a junction box there. It's just screwed to the side of the house.
So the water could just run down behind it.
Yeah, the water can go behind it, open splice. But then the real bad part is if you look closely, look how the wire's held in.
He nailed right through
They
the
nailed
wire.
right through the middle of it.
Oh, just don't run it in the rain.
So best case, you broke the ground wire, which is bad. Worst case is it's sitting there and arcing.
Yeah. Oh, that's
But
that's a fire
clearly,
right
he
now.
must have threaded the needle, because that's actually
Yeah.
working.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
All right, so here's
Oh,
one. This is
look
from
at
Peter
that.
in New York. I hope this is not in his basement, but this is a 40 or 50 gallon water heater. But he's got it on a piece of wood, and then it's hung from the ceiling. I hope it's hung with something that's screwed. But that's got to be 400 to 500 pounds. And you know, gravity never sleeps.
Yeah, but maybe his basement floods and he didn't want it to get wet.
Perfect. And if it floods, the wood will rot.
Oh, maybe Peter's 8 feet tall.
Yeah.
He just needs it up there.
Nice wiring job
Yeah.
there,
That's
too. Yeah.
Heavens, what could go wrong?
How about this, huh? How about that?
That's
So close.
Hey, I
So
gotta,
close.
I gotta give the guy credit. He used the timber hangers. All right, he used them upside down.
Oh, my goodness.
They're supposed to lock into the rafter, and actually they're the wrong type of hangers for rafters. Period. You need to follow the pitch of the roof.
Oh, you're
width.
so picky.
I'm not a guy who reads many instruction manuals,
Yeah.
but I mean,
He read it from the back.
did he not read anything?
Oh my gosh.
Unbelievable. Well, we have great fun with them, so if you've got any pictures of embarrassing or scary work, send them our way. We'd love to talk about them. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.